Here are the top features of the Apple Watch Nike Series 5. What's up everyone, it is Andrew here from AppleInsider, and the Nike Apple Watch Series 5 has just launched. It always comes in a few weeks after the standard Apple Watch release cycle. So we just got our hands on this thing, and there are some distinct features with the Series 5 Nike version that separates it from the standard Apple Watch. So we're gonna walk you through the top features of the Apple Watch Nike Series 5. One of the biggest reasons to pick up the Nike version of Apple Watch are the exclusive watch faces. So no matter which other Apple Watch you get, you can only get these 3 Nike watch faces if you pick up the Nike version of Apple Watch. There are 3 on the Series 5 model: Nike Hybrid, Nike Analog, and Nike Digital. Within those, there are further customizations that can really change their appearance. For instance, looking at Nike Hybrid here, we can scroll down, we can see new things like the Windrunner one, which is literally based on the kind of retro, the iconic Nike Windrunner. You can choose between that analog, digital, and Windrunner. You can go in further, so Windrunner can actually be either circular or it can be full screen, and that'll change with the dials. There are tons of different color options, including the Nike Volt, as well as a bunch of other ones that correspond to different bands you can pick up to match along with it. Notable though, if you do have the Windrunner one on full screen, you cannot use it with complications. So you have to switch to the circular option, which gives you a lot of complications on each corner and right there around the center. If you want these options, pick up the Nike model. Now with those watch faces, there are also custom Nike complications. Well, really one complication that works across all the different watch faces. So make sure you are on something that supports complications, but even if you have those complications turned off, like at the Nike Windrunner full screen, you can still see that Nike complication there at the top. It is always on all of the actual Nike watch faces, and tapping on that Nike logo will take you directly to the Nike Run Club app. On the setup of the Nike version of the Apple Watch, it actually prompts you to install the Nike Run Club app, unlike the other Apple Watches. And while it's always there, you cannot change it. It's a really easy way to jump into that application. The next exclusive feature are the Nike Apple Watch bands. Now these bands are all available a la carte. You do not have to buy the Apple Watch Nike to get any of these bands. You can simply pay the $50 for the Sport Loops or the Sports bands. But what is different with the Apple Watch Nike is you can bundle them from the get-go. If you really want any of these straps, you like the reflective thread woven into the loop one, or you like the holes or the colors of the sports bands, the only way to get them bundled with the watch is to go with the Nike version. So you can get any other Apple Watch and tack them on, but they're going to add an extra $50 to your cost, whereas you buy them with the Apple Watch, it's not going to cost you anything extra, and you get to choose them from the beginning. Lastly, we have all the other features of the Series 5. The Series 5 is Apple's best Apple Watch yet, and the biggest new feature is that always on display. It's extremely helpful, especially during workouts, always being able to see your screen. As you tilt it away or kind of take it out of active mode, you can see how it dims down, and it is a truly useful feature. So that covers it. Those are the top features of the Apple Watch Nike Series 5. Definitely different than the standard Apple Watch version. But what do you guys think? Let me know down below in the comments. If you want to pick one of these up, you can find the best prices at the links below in the description, and reach out to me on Twitter at Andrew_OSU. Hey everyone, did you guys like that video? Be sure to click on that like button so we can create content that we know that you guys want to see. And follow AppleInsider on all social media channels. If you want the best prices on any Apple gear, check out the AppleInsider price guide that is updated daily. And until next time, we'll see you later.